Welcome back. I had another parcel today. I had this Apple Watch Ultra 49mm, so I'm curious how it looks like. I haven't seen it yet. That's cool. I'll tear this off, I don't even know how to open it. But this watch looks amazing. I think this 49mm is a bit too big for my wrist, but the watch itself looks amazing. It's an amazing design. Let's have a look what's happening here. What do we have here? We have a nice charger, Type C. In this box we have an orange strap. Make another video on how to set it up, and we'll have a look. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.